good thing I remembered, boys. I was just about to freaking leave, and then I remembered that I gotta bring my empty with me. Ran out of oil yesterday. Had undercoatings today too, but got an oil. I gotta tip it on the accrement to get it into the corner so the pump will pick it up and stuff. But anyways, I'll drag this out of there. I do have you know, half a pail the residual from another barrel or whatever, so I'll just fill that up, get this friggin' thing semi-emptied, and then we'll load it up in the van and we go. We fix the grumman. I mean, hopefully got the power steering friggin' box, or the whatever you call it there, the steering box, gearbox, steer nailer, London brake and steering rebuilders. Check that guy out. Should have done it when we were doing it, but this was all the money in the world, and yeah, it's a lot easier to spend a little bit at a time than to spend it all at once, you know what I mean? But anyways, hopefully that's done. 2-time-a-daisy on the friggin' on the brake steering wheel builder gave me these 2 gaskets. Not, you know, I put them in the pump already, but yeah, it was just a nightmare. But hopefully it's the last time. And I did find a crusty O-ring that I didn't change last time, so we got that swapped out. And yeah, so anyways, how to get this barrel emptied out there, and then we go. Just about forgot you. Just about forgot you. Got my barrel. Got my barrel loaded up there. Oh man. Right into the celery, boys. Right into the celery. Just put one thing. That's it. Holy boys, look at the chooch. I've been standing in here and open the door. I wasn't even thinking, but friggin' Yeswelder sent me a welder. It's like just come out. I don't even think it might not even be out yet. Check this out. Blazamo dp200. They sent that to me for my own that I can have. Of course, it's a friggin' MIG gun, but we got the spool attachment hooked up right now. Check this out. You can see the progression of my learning. This is sticking with the settings, wrong settings, a little bit wrong, kind of getting the hang of it a little bit, and fucking a little bit dicked. And then like down here though, like look at this. Like this welder is like $400 thereabouts, and that's the type of the friggin' welds that you can get. Like I got this welder as my only other option for welding the aluminums. Wow, it's choochy in here. Holy. TIG 200 square wave. I gotta sell that because A, I can't TIG weld. I mean I can. I made this friggin' drawer, right? We TIG welded and stuff, right? There's some TIG welds on there. That was the first thing that I ever TIG welded. That was a long time ago, and you got to remember all kinds of stuff. I don't have, you know, if all I was doing was TIG welding, well sure, I'd be able to remember all type of stuff, but I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, sprinkle over here, a little over there, you know what I mean? So this is way better. A couple dicking arounds, maybe 20-30 minutes, a little bit of cocking around, not too bad. And then I think we basically pretty well got her dialed in. But this is supposed to be a cup holder for the grumman, but we lost a piece somewhere. I don't know where that could have gone, but we need that. But yeah, I come with different like you know, what's it for the gun. Like look at the gun too. Like this is a $400 welder. Like this friggin', I don't know, pretty robust. Pretty robust. I mean, a little bit. How you doing? A little bit, but overall robust. You know, nice. You know, it's got the stanger for your friggin' what's it. So you can do. Oh, what can you do? You can do stick, MIG, spool gun, and I think that's it. But like all the type of the robotronics on this guy too, eh? Like if you wanted to, you want to do your different airs and your different your different thickness of wire, your different thickness of material, your different trigger modes, your memories, your spool gun or your freaking what's it gun or your gas, and you know, you just pick all these options, and once you get those picked, it's just a matter of pulling the trigger, boys. But you know, we had a couple mishaps. We did a whole bunch without the gas on, and then we remembered the gas, and then once we had the gas on, then we could start setting the friggin' welder. But that's what happens when you don't have the gas on. She gets warm. Terrible. But yeah, that's awesome. We're making custom center consoles in Inwood again. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't hit the shifter. What happened? Oh, and check out this Welding helmet, boys. This is friggin' awesome. It's got like a three-sided chooch, so you can see, like, you know, panorama. You can see panorama around and different things. But then you got your little trap door up here. That's where the stink goes, I guess. But yeah, all your different settings. Fucking works awesome. Again, just, I think this is like, you know, $100 helmet or something, right? Looks like it's got lights on it too. What the dick? Has that got lights on it? That's pretty cool. I wonder how you turn those lights on. Huh. Look at. How do you turn those on? Here, maybe there's a switch. There's a switch for them. Anyways, boys, I gotta go pick up a whole bunch of parts for a job. Apologize, I haven't been putting out as many crap movies. Lately, but yeah, real busy. Just checking all the fluids and everything running, make sure the power steering's not leaking anymore and stuff. Seems good. Maybe a little drizzle. That's good. Yeah, she works, boys. Friggin' grumman's friggin' styled in. We got the friggin' alignment and the steering box and everything all fixed up and stuff. She friggin' steers sweet. There's no clunk and stuff anymore. Should be just about time to crash the fuck out of it. I just put just over 10,000 kilometers on it now. Just pulling into the driver just at 10,001 kilometers on it or something, so. Oh, fuck. But anyways, I got my list. Here we go. Oh, there's another big rock up the road, boys. Look at this dude with his fucking cup, eh? Holy.
It's like a fucking garbage can.
Yeah. Jim went.
When you close the door, the fucking mirror doesn't stay. Like, close it gingerly.
Well, seeing as this is Jim's truck and I don't give a fuck, I'm thundering it.
Alright. I'll fix it later. Yeah. Just need some super glue. Nice. It held. Decent.
Oh yeah, dudes, check out Jim's rig. Oh yeah. He's not even paid for it. This is my truck still. Custom exhaust on it.
Your new one?
Nice.
Your new exhaust?
I haven't got anything on the road for winter, so it'll be nice to get to drive this in the winter again.
What are those?
What?
They're skinny as fuck. Jeep
yeah,
tires.
Cracked all the fuck.
Skinny.
All those are junk tires.
Jeep tires.
Smash into this one if you want.
Whose is it?
Brienne's. He wants it undergirded.
Oh, fuck.
Funny that. Hey, all of a sudden everybody's my best buddy all of a sudden.
Yeah, because you got undercurtain fucking services.
Oh, my new bale. Picked that up today.
Seen that? You got a new tag?
Yeah. Got some seeds and some stuff. What the hell? What the hell?
What happened?
I don't know. Hammer cam.
Nice.
Jim, slow down. This is inwood, bud. Does it even shift? Oh, there we go. No? Not yet?
It shifted the whole. It's in 6th now. You didn't even feel them.
Oh.
Easy.
Apologize.
We weren't even speeding yet.
Oh my god. Okay, we gotta go get the felon. We're gonna take some trucks apart today. Check out these two. I'll put the link in the prescription I showed you a long time ago, but that makes you look cool too, right, buddy? Cyborg. Businessman. Yeah. Yeah. I work for the government. It's an F4 shitty with a asphalt box on the back of it. A bunch of asphalt and stuff. Yeah. They're just sloppy bastards, so the whole back of the truck's just filled with asphalt. You don't want that. Okay? Playing with my new welder. I can't even remember if you know, what's really even going on because my computer's dicked. I've been making bitches with my cell phone and program's cocked, boys. But anyways, yeah, I'm just making the center console for the grumman and hopefully it'll you know, when you put it in second gear, it'll freaking hit the shifter and stuff. That's the goal anyways, but see what happens, you know? See what happens. Well, there you go, boys. Got a nice place to put our drinks, our beverage holder. The only unfortunate thing is, no matter how much I crank that, we're still fucking 8 inches away from the shifter. So, oh well, I tried. Eh? Sometimes I could do it. It's like the Amity horrors in here, boys. It's like the Amity horrors. It's all the flies. I don't know. I'm not sure I like that. They like the taste of me. Really bad. But yeah, freaking couldn't have done it without the yeswelder. I tried with my Lincoln. I've TIG welded before and, you know, got it to work a couple times, but, you know, you got to kind of try to do it all the time in order to be sort of good at it. Whereas this, you know, set her and forget her. Hey, they sent the friggin' the what's it, the aluminum. How you doing? Works pretty good. Works pretty good. The first little bit I didn't have the gas up high enough, and we had to dick around with the settings a little bit, but, you know, nothing a grinder and a little wax turtle can't fix. You just grind his foot a little bit, and then you can grind the aluminum, and then you just grind his foot some more, and it helps with otherwise your disc just bungs up with smeared aluminums, and then no worky. But I'll put the link in the description. We'll make another video too. I gotta weld some stuff outside, so I figure rather than take my miller out, this and that, we can just haul that guy over to the other yard there with one hand. Don't have to bring a tractor and stuff. And then yeah, we'll get the gate down there, because I'm starting to get ambiguous about not having a gate at the entrance over there. But yeah, anyways, boys, I go.